Hey everybody, this is Roberta Eastman from Home Buyers Inventory. Thank you so much for joining us today. This is one of the most important questions that we get, and I am really excited to answer it. The question is, why? Why do I want to do a rent to own? And so today, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the benefits of doing a rent to own home program. You see, for those who cannot buy a home through traditional banking mortgages instantly, our rent-to-own program is a viable option to home ownership. I was one of those people who could not go and get traditional banking mortgages. And so that's why I wanted to do the rent-to-own program, so that I could help people just like myself who cannot go to a traditional bank and get a loan. Our rent-to-own method brings the dream of home ownership to people who may have otherwise thought it was impossible. Here at Home Buyers Inventory, we move you toward home ownership, and that's regardless of your credit score. For those with less than perfect credit, rent-to-own houses are the way to go. And like I said, here in Home Buyers Inventory, we offer options for you despite your bad credit score. See, we offer homes for individuals who are having a hard time securing a loan to finance the purchase of their new home today. But all you need is time. And that's not all. We offer low lease option payments. And we do not take the statement, regardless of credit score, lightly. We will not place a person in a home who we know cannot afford the home. And we also know, regardless of your credit score, we have a network of people who can help you build a plan to increase your credit score organically. We have experts in your local area that will get you on a financial plan to be able to obtain a mortgage. And these people are free. We're not talking about paying somebody to help you fix your credit. I don't recommend people do that unless they need that credit within the next 30 days. Otherwise, you can do it on your own. And we have the local experts in your area that will help you do a financial plan in order to obtain a mortgage at a later time. So regardless of your credit score, can you do a rent-to-own home? And that's the question we're answering today. And that's the question people have for us all the time. Can I do this even regardless of our credit score? Can I rent to own a home? And the answer is yes. Will we at Home Buyers Inventory help you? Yes. But you must do the work. So number one benefit of doing a rent-to-own home with us here at Home Buyers Inventory: you move in quicker. When it comes to a typical mortgage on home purchase, it can take months from the time the offer is accepted on a home before you can move in. With our rent-to-own homes, you can usually move in pretty quick, within a week or two of the home being viewed and the documentation being approved. We've been able to help a family in as little as 7 days. Now that's not typical, but it has been our experience. This couple was Johnny on the spot with getting their paperwork turned in and getting everything to us that we needed, meeting with us. It was just phenomenal how quick they moved into action because they wanted to move into their new home, and we were able to do it in 7 days. The number two benefit of doing a rent-to-own home: you see, your equity grows faster when compared to the average mortgage. Equity builds faster in a rent-to-own situation because the appreciation happens faster. When a tenant is in control of the home, you may make improvements as you pay the rent. So when it's time to go to the bank, the home is worth more than the purchase price. Number three, you have full control of the home. When you move in, you get full control over the home, meaning you can make adjustments and improvements where you see fit. You can decorate the home. This will make the home more comfortable for yourself and your family. There are more times I speak to renters and they are so frustrated because they want to paint this or they want to change this and they can't because they're renting. Rent to own with Home Buyers Inventory, you can make those changes. and that makes it comfortable for yourself and your family. A fourth benefit, and this is a big one, you have no taxes right now. Since the home still belongs to the investor, we remain responsible for the property taxes until you go to the bank and get a traditional mortgage, and then home ownership transfers to you. This makes it easy for you to save money until you own the home. There are many other benefits for both renters and investors. And while some rent-to-own programs charge the renters a higher rent for a situation like this, or they even charge them interest, here at Homebuyers Inventory, your rent is no more than the typical market rent, which you're going to be paying anyway. Therefore, our tenant buyers pay the rent willingly to know the property will eventually be their own. So get free budget home decorating tips by clicking the link below and get started visualizing your new rent-to-own home.